Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Malto channel. This time I will explain about 12 benefits of red apple for health. You must have heard the story of Cinderella eating a red apple giving a grandmother then fainted. Do not you believe that the apple was poisonous after knowing the story? Instead, the red apple is very healthy and highly recommended for consumption. Apples are the fruit produced from apple trees. Mature apples are usually green, yellow, or red. Red apples are more often consumed because they taste sweeter than green and yellow apples. Red apples are usually eaten without cooking. Of course, fruits like apples have health benefits for the body. For those of you who are curious, here are 12 benefits of red apples. Number 1. Contains essential nutrients for the body. Red apples store a lot of nutrients that are needed for the health of the body. These nutrients are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, fiber, phytonutrients and minerals. No wonder many people love apples as healthful desserts. Number 2. Healthy and well-groomed skin. For women, having healthy skin is a dream. Red apples are very good to eat because vitamin C in red apples can keep skin healthy, well-groomed and more radiant naturally. Number 3. Adding energy. Tired after a full day's activities or exercising? Fresh red apple fruit can be tired and can increase endurance. Number 4. Lowering cholesterol. Red apples function to lower bad cholesterol or LDL. Someone who consumes apples 2 times a day can lower bad cholesterol as much as 16%. Number 5. Strengthen the immune system. When transition, a person's immune system declines. As a result, you cannot perform activities optimally. If you eat red apples every day, you will be free from diseases because of antioxidants in red apples, so your body is always healthy and feel fit. Number 6. Reduce the risk of diabetes. Almost everyone likes sweet foods. But there are some people who cannot consume more sugar foods because they have a risk of diabetes. Red apples can be a sweet snack that is perfect for diabetics. Number 7. Smooth digestion. Fiber is needed by the body, especially digestion. Fiber can be found on the skin of red apples and is believed to promote digestion and can avoid digestive disorders such as diarrhea and constipation. Number 8. Vision is clearer and clearer. Red apples contain vitamin A and antioxidants are very nutritious for maintaining eye health and prevent cataract disease. You can eat it every day to make the vision feel clearer and clearer. Number 9. Natural diet medication. Often many women do not want their bodies, so they have to figure out how to lower their bodies. Consuming red apples on a regular basis can be a healthy and natural way to diet. Number 10. Dental health drugs. For coffee lovers and sweet food enthusiasts, red apples are highly recommended regarding maintaining healthy teeth. Red apples have natural acids, compounds astringent, and fiber makes red apples as the ideal food for cleaning and whitening teeth, especially for porous teeth. Number 11. Prevent cancer. Red apple skin also contains antioxidants called quercetin high enough to prevent the growth of cancer cells, especially breast cancer and colon cancer. Number 12. Preventing Alzheimer's disease. The benefits of red apples can also prevent brain aging if taken regularly. In addition to taste sweet, crisp, and fresh, red apples also have many benefits. Red apples are better consumed raw without cooking to keep the nutrients it contains. Many people eat red apples by peeling skin first, but after being examined by leading experts, red apple skin contains antioxidants that are good for the body. When you shop to a market or supermarket, take the opportunity to buy red apples and put red apples on your mulch washing list. Have you eaten an apple today? Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.